As you would expect, we're actually extremely optimistic still about Tencent in particular. And one of the things that we see continuously is that the market is obviously the largest internet market in the world. And I think in terms of the progress that the company has made, and actually broader China tech has made in playing a role in real life, I would say China is leading the way on how technology can actually infiltrate just about every aspect of people's lives and make it better.
Sorry, you say infiltrate. That's quite a sinister word, infiltrate. Is it a good thing? I mean, the Chinese have a different attitude to privacy than the West, some people say as well. Is infiltration of your private lives a good thing?
You know, what I mean is basically that when you interact with things like the real world, with retail, with rides, with everything you need on a regular basis, tech is actually making things better. I think privacy is obviously an area that everybody is concerned about, and I think good companies are taking, I would say, more proactive steps. I think Tencent definitely is taking steps in being responsible for how tech is playing a big role in people's lives.
Is there a valuation peak that we've just witnessed here? I mean, we've talked about tens of thousands of Chinese VC and private equity companies looking for startup opportunities in China. It felt like 2019 maybe marked a top.
It's definitely the case that capital is flush, and I would say that's the case everywhere in the world. And I think there's a tremendous amount of money looking for a return. And we see the money flowing everywhere to early stages. Tech is obviously a place where tremendous money flows go to. I think there's parts in history where it was, again, very, very heated. We'll see how it is going forward.
But could that tourism, and experts in a particular field always talk about tourists dismissively as well, so they don't know what they're doing, they don't know what they're investing, they've got too much money and they're not going to get real returns as well. But is that tourism potentially able to infect the good as well? Because we saw a great example of that literally 20 years ago.
You know, I think a great example of sort of capital playing a big role in how the market was in India 4 years ago. India tech, I think 4 years ago, was at heights where basically the valuations had lost touch with the reality of what people were building and implementing. And we actually didn't do any investments in India for 2 years on the back of that. We just didn't see how the operational complexity of building a great business was tying in with what people were willing to pay for opportunities. I think that's come back to reality. I think it's a good thing.
Yeah. It's interesting in that you decided to pass on Just Eat in the end because of where the prices got to. What's on the table for you next? What are you looking at? What would be useful for you to add to the business?
Yeah, we are still, we have 3 core businesses that we're very excited about. We're big into food delivery. We remain very positive about how that can be really a 20-year transformation opportunity for growth. Then we've invested quite a lot in people trading second-hand goods. That's been a big area of investment for us. We call it classifieds. We do that in 30 markets in the world. We believe the world needs more recycling, more retrade, so we're placing a big bet on that. We see more opportunity there. And we bet in financial services and financial inclusion in markets like India, which we're also very excited about.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.